How to delete Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete Facebook account. So let's get started. First step, open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the bottom right corner on the menu icon. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right. And after you're here, you will see Meta Account Center. Tap on Meta Account Center and there you'll find account settings right here and you'll find many other options. What you'll need to do is head over to your personal details and under personal details you'll find account ownership and control. Tap on that. After you tap on that you'll find deactivation or deletion. You'll need to tap on that option and from here select your Facebook account and there you can select delete account option, then tap on continue. Then all you now need to do is tap on continue if you have any pages available. Select why you want to delete your account. Then tap on continue. Then tap on continue again. Now finally you can then tap on continue by scrolling down again. And finally simply type in the password for your Facebook and the account will get deleted. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.